Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these deodorizing sachets that you can put in your cabinets and drawers to keep them smelling nice and fresh.
You will need a circle of fabric with a 7-inch diameter, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a hair tie, and essential oil is optional. Turn your fabric over and dump the baking soda into the center of the circle. I like to add a few drops of peppermint oil to give it that really clean smell. Bring all the ends together and secure them with a hair tie. I like to use a hair tie, but you could also use a ribbon or a different kind of string if you would like.
I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe and leave a comment about the DIYs you would like to see. See you next week. Bye!